Hi, I would like to shoot a very short video just to make a summary of what happened during the meeting of the EU RAP project. As you know, I was in Brussels this week attending the meeting, so to avoid to forget anything important, I have my notes here. So, what happened? What is this project? First of all, this project is a 2-year project, and the aim of the project is to analyze, to review the Euratom Directive, BSS Basic Safety Standards. The participants in the meeting were mostly authorities from all EU member states, plus Norway, and also international agencies like IAA, WHO, and of course the European Commission, and also the European Radon Association and the industry. Well, the achievements over these 2 years projects show that the member states, most of them, they have radon action plans, and most of them, they have implemented the Euratom directive. This is a tremendous achievement, and for the first time in the system of radiological protection in Europe, radon has its place, appear in the legislation. So this is only that is a very big achievement. But of course, we were discussing many things, and the last day appeared the topic of the dose conversion factors, the dose coefficients for radon dose. We had a separate meeting at the end of the day to discuss very informally what is the situation, and in Europe, different countries are still using different approach, ICRP 65, ICRP 137, or a combination of both, or even some countries like Belgium, Sweden, Finland, they are using exposure instead of the dose. So we have many challenges in front of us, and particularly, I am very much convinced that one of the biggest challenges that we have radon people is the communication issue. We need to learn how to communicate better and how to approach people outside our community. Architects, journalists, lawyers, building professionals, they need to be aware of the radon problem. So thanks to the organizers of this meeting, it was fantastic. It was very nice to meet all the radon people in Europe one more time, and be ready for next week. Next week it is time for the European Radon Association workshop and the rooms workshop. Where? In Bergen, Norway. See you in Norway. Bye-bye.